Alright, let's do it. So I've been playing around a bit with the Ubuntu subsystem on Windows. So I'm just going to change into where my files actually are, because the Ubuntu subsystem seems to generate a home directory nowhere near where you actually have stuff. So that's where I am, and then I want to go to my documents. I want to go to my GitHub folder. Okay, so I've got some folders here, stuff. I probably want to work on Steg tonight. Yeah, I've got a few projects going on. Steg is a library I'm working on that works on encoding text into images. So it's essentially like encryption, but using images, so that you put a message inside of an image, encode it into the pixels, hopefully undetectably, and you can use the image to unlock the message. And by that I mean the original image, the unencoded image. So I've been working on that, mainly because I watched a computer file video a while ago, and they talked about it there, and I sort of thought, oh, I could do that. And then I started thinking about it, and I wanted to make a gift using it, because it actually distorts the picture a bit, and I was hoping that I could encode a whole bunch of information, super distort the picture, and it'd be like a cool little art project. But it's actually proved to be quite a fun little library to play around with. But I also wanted to show off my, show off is probably the wrong word, display my Tmux and vimrc getup. Is that going to be big enough? I'm going to assume that's big enough. Alright, so let's just jump right into the Steg library. Where are we going? Yeah, cool. Alright, so what was I doing before? I wanted to... Okay. Yes, this is interesting. So I had this issue with... I want to show you the pictures. Where are they? Yeah. Alright, so let me just... Is that it? No. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Oh wait, no. I want the picture bit. I already opened the pictures. Where are you? What's this called? Photos? There we go. Oh. This is boring already. Where? Alright. No, go to the Explorer. Where are you? No, the actual Explorer. This one. Okay. Okay. So the view I want is extra large icons. Okay, so you can probably see that. Cool. Yeah, save them. Okay, so here we've got some images. So what I did was I wanted to have some test data, right? I wanted to put known data into a known image and see what happened as I was doing it, so that I could have some sort of feedback mechanism. So I took the whole play of Othello, which is written here. That's like free, copyright-free text. And I took this image from Wikipedia of Jim Carrey, because I just... there was a Facebook group when I used to be on Facebook that used to just post this every single day. So I remembered it, and I would put it in here. So there's a few different ways I've been approaching this. So this image here that I've got highlighted, what I did there was I just added the information to the blue pixel. So there's R, G, and B, and I just added the information to the byte related to the blue pixel, and I got this, and I did it all in a row. So a character I assumed was 7 bits, just based on how Unicode works, and I encoded it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like all the way through until every character of Othello was encoded in there. And then here, I did something similar, but what I did was I skipped out a few pixels after I did that. Then here, with the help of a colleague and a friend, I was talking to them about it, and we distributed one character over the 3 bytes, and so you get like a pretty seemingly more normal color distribution. Although because I was now skipping pixels, I got these lines. But if you actually look here, so when you split the information across all three color pixels, and you do this, actually this one here actually has the whole of Othello encoded into it. You can't even tell, which is kind of awesome. But I wanted to introduce some distortion, so I might have to bit shift the information and cause some irregularities in the image. But we'll see how that goes. So what I'm going to do right now is I had a bit of a chat with my friend and colleague about this algorithm, and I'm going to try and implement this algorithm through, and then so the issue I was finding is that I wanted to equally distribute the information across all the image, but it seems like that's not really required. Instead, what's required is you need to encode the size of the message somehow based on the original image. You need to go, okay, because it's the original image, I'm going to encode the pixel at this point. And then also using the original image, you can subtract away the information of the original image, and you'll be left with the message, and then you can turn that into text from the numbers. Cool. So what I'm going to work on is applying the message linearly like I did here, but then afterwards for the rest of the picture adding noise. And I'll just see, I'll apply this same thing here, but I'll apply it to a different image and just see like if it, because it didn't distort this image, but there's no reason to say that it won't distort another image. So let's grab another image and I'll run that through. So if we go here and I click on that, you can't see it. Okay, so I'm going to do this and say, I'm going to bear with me, rename this as the file viewer. Fantastic. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate that, and then I'm going to call that Vim. Okay, and then in Vim, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the window capture to the Ubuntu thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool. You can see that, can't you? Yeah. Okay. Learning as we go. Beauty. Okay. So where I'm at with this is I kind of want to move my microphone out of the way a bit. Sip this sweet coffee. What I want to do is I want to go to, where's my encode? End decode pixel. What do I want? I wanted end distributively end encode. Yeah. And I don't want to do this anymore. Yep, cool, but I do want to do this. Yep. Yep, cool. Looks good. Yeah. End encode, and then we just go into the main. Alright. Okay. No. Don't do that. What do I want to do? Yeah. Cool. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say... We're going to change that. I want to end encode that. I do want to end encode, actually. And we'll go... I should have thought about that before. Yeah, whatever. And the image IO and the text IO, what have we got here? So I'll get another image and we'll think about... Yeah. Alright. So, if I do that, copy this again so I can have a browser. Where am I? Duplicate. Browser. Yeah. Window capture. And I'll just go to, oh, what kind of image do I want? A dog. That'll do. Yeah, cool. I've got a dog now. No, that's not what you want. Where are you, Chrome? Cancel. Where? Bear with me. Yeah, cool. Okay. Alright, we're finding dogs. Yep, that'll do. Save image as. What have we got? We want steg. Cool. Dog.jpg. Cool. Alright. And we're gonna switch back to Vim now. Oh man. Okay. Alright. We got that. Yeah, didn't we? Okay. What's this here as well? Yeah, okay. Change this to dog.jpg. Good. Okay. And we're going to run that, and then we're going to save it out as im.save. It's a distributive end dog.jpg, and the format is, surprisingly, JPEG. Okay. That should do it. Okay, then we're gonna run that. Oh, I started it in. I started the tmark session in the wrong. This is gonna annoy me later, so I'll just go change it now. And then we'll exit the tmark session, and then I'll just change into stag, and then I'll restart tmarks. Cool. Then we're gonna go vim. Yep. Cool. Break that up. Okay. Python 3. And we're running encode image.py. And we've got something wrong. Okay. Image index out of range. Input pixel runs off mxy. Oh, this is a different image, so all my... Yeah, okay. Oh, it's bothering me. Okay, let's have a look at what we did. Image index is now out of range. The image index is now out of range. Oh. Wait, what? Why did I do that there? That's so dumb. End encode. But I did end encode, so that won't happen in that same one, will it? It's end decode, which isn't working yet. Then ending. Oh, did that there as well. Okay. What's going to Stegno? Oh, you know what? I should probably just fix this for the future as well. It's going to be, yeah, we'll just call it Stegno. That's the object we're passing in, and I'll call it image file. Image file path. Yep. Cool. Yep. And we'll go to line 37. That's 27, Alex. 10 down. Cool. Let's go here. Self dot image path. Oh, file path. File path. It's equal to. Oh, it's like image, and we'll paste the same kind of thing, and we'll just say, this is going to be the text file path, and that's going to be the text IO, fix that up. Cool, just make sure that I got that right. Oh, yeah, I remapped that, didn't I? End encode. Yeah, I called it image file path. It's line 136. Image file path. Yeah, cool. Alright, so we're back. Cool. That should be fine. Probably change that really, because like I've already opened an image. I can save it as something else. I'm not really opening. If I edit a image object, does that change? And no, surely if I load an image into an image object with this library, that wouldn't change the file unless I save it out. Doubt it. Go back on that assumption. First, I just want to see the original test. Does this look any different? Okay, so what I'm thinking about right now is not really important. Cool. And we have dist and dog. Cool. And I'm just gonna add another window source, window capture files. Yeah. And it's gonna look for. No, not that. It's going to look for. What's it called? System settings, file explorer. Oh, it's Steg, isn't it? This is so annoying. Oh, no, that's not it. You can't even see me right now. That's settings. I want that. Photos. Poo. This is poo. Well, not Netflix. Oh, it's not there. It's actually not there. But it's here. Got a mystery. Gang. Yep. Let's see if it comes up now. Settings. Oh, it is there. Okay, cool. Alright, I just have to like exit out of the whole. Okay, whatever. That's fine, because I've now saved it in such a way that it'll. Yeah, it'll be there. Okay, cool. So you can see there that I got. What's this called here? So we'll add this in. I'll say window capture the photos. Yep. Doesn't like Windows photos, so that's not going to happen. Let's just delete that. Ugh. Alright, so you can see that this here, there's a blue tinge, purple tinge at the top there, and that's Othello. That's Othello coded in. That's distributively encoded though. That's not using the right algorithm though. Okay, so what I've done there is I know what I have to do. Yeah. Okay. What happens if I still there? Alright. I have to just change the algorithms. Okay, so explaining. I didn't distributively add the character over all 3 pixels there. I used my function that was doing it onto just the blue. So let's do that. Let's just fix that up. So what do we got here? Okay. Yeah, there we go. End encode. There we go. So I just want to change. This is the end encode function, but this is end encode pixel, right? So end encode. Yeah. It's like bulk encode, I guess. It's probably a better word. How many times does it occur? Yeah, like. Am I back? Okay, so I can just change it pretty easily. Let's just change that then. Change that to bulk. Alright, next one, do the same thing. And the next one, yep. No, don't want to change that one. And change that, yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, and then if we, oh yeah, now if I just go bulk encode, yep, go back to where we were, yep, cool. Alright, so I want to just bulk encode pixel. Oh, I actually didn't want to change that one. Okay, that actually makes sense to end encode that. Bulk encode is like, yep, running through and just the start. Alright, so I'm just going to go back to the main and find out what I want to call it. So this is going to be, no, it's going to be bulk just encode. Okay, so I can get rid of the end bit because that's a bit silly. Okay, so what it is doing, it is encoding the pixels in a bulk fashion. So all at the start, like just first pixel is the first character, second pixel is the second character, over and over and over again. But taking the character, splitting it over 3 pixels, the 3 colors in the pixel. All right. scribby. Alright, so let's just chuck that in there. Oh, I should run that actually. Shouldn't I? Where are we? Yeah. Yeah, it worked. Okay. And you can see now, bulk, dist, and dog. Okay, so there's actually not much difference to that. What did I do there? What have I done wrong? Alright. It should look a little different. Bulk encode. Oh man, I just didn't pay attention to what I was doing, did I? It's the streaming, recording thing. Okay. Alright, we're going to actually change now how the pixel is encoded. Yep. Clear this off. Alright. Cool. Yep. Let's change to the dog thing. Okay, cool. It looks quite good. I don't know how well you can see this. Extra. Oh, I've got it on the biggest size icons you can possibly have. Oh my god, refresh this. This is gross. Cool. So, oh man, you really can't. I can't really share this with you in some way. Oh. Just minimized everything on the page by shaking a window. Yeah. So this is an encoded image. And there's the original. You can't really tell unless you zoom in, which I can't seem to figure out how to do on this. Oh, I know. Hang on. Let's go back here. Can I... Ooh, can I do this? Yeah, cool. Hair in my mouth. So you can see there's like this faint line. Ugh. Look at that. It's like faint crossing, and that's where the message sort of starts up in here and then finishes there, because it's going through each pixel. And then if you, I want to just show you the original. That's the original. And then just want to show you the diff. Okay. So, okay, we've got the actual encoded image, and then back, and then if I get rid of this, I just consider there's a slight change. Cool. All right. Now I need to add random noise. Small break though first. Okay. I'm back. Just had to check the microphone was working okay. Sorry I'm slamming the desk intermittently and probably rupturing your eardrum. Alright, let's add some random noise to this. Why am I not? Oh. Okay, that was it. Alright. Did that. That's fine. Let's rename this result that I got here. Oh man, rewrite that. I want to keep track of this stuff just because yeah, mate. do is just change that to bulk. Oh yeah. And then back here. Can't see that at all. Bulk distant dog, bulk and dog. Yeah, and that's the right name, isn't it? Cool. Yeah. All right. So let's add the random noise now. I'm gonna exit this little terminal on the side here. It's quite weird editing on something this. Well, the text is just huge for me, but it's cool to share. I also learn better when I'm talking through something, or like I just solve problems better when I'm talking through something. So this is kind of helping, really. And the excitement of it makes me probably, like, I probably wouldn't have done any work on it if it was just me. Okay. I want to add random noise for the rest of it. So the last, I had that logging in, the last image to be encoded would be that. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to just for the rest of it, I'm going to add, sorry, I should center that, add random noise to the rest of the image. Okay, so for I in range, I'm going to start at len chars, and then we're going to end at len of length of the location vector, and then I'm just going to say p equals a random int. Oh, I have to probably import that, don't I? Yeah. Oh, I don't need this anymore. From rand. Cool. It's going to be from 0 to 127. And then I'm going to say encoded put pixel location I p. Okay. That should do it. Alright, let's go back to the main real quick. I'm just going to change this to with noise. Cool. This file names are getting longer and longer. That's alright. I just want to keep track of the files as well because I want to make a README at the end with like images that display what's happening. So I need to keep them rather than just deleting them and then regenerating them when I'm writing the README. I'm gonna move this code here. Like it's annoying the crap out of me. Okay, and then just yep, and then paste that there. What's this? Oh man, I have to change that. Yep. I have to change this stupid... I mapped something earlier and it keeps interfering with what I'm doing. And then down here, I just do the same thing. Yep, cool. Okay. Cool. So that should be right. Let's run it. Yep. Cool. With noise. Alright, so let's have a look at that. I've got our Chrome window up. Yep, turn that up. Okay. Our old dog pal. And then I'm just going to open up Windows Explorer on top. Yeah, Steg. With noise. Where's with? Oh, that didn't work, did it? Eesh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Because I'm not. Okay. What's happened here is I oversimplified it. I just added a random color to the pixel. I didn't take the original image in the first place. Rookie. No, not rookie mistake, but just a mistake. Okay. Just turn that off for now. Cool. Alright, we're back here. Let's do it. That's fine. Okay. Bulk encode, where are you? Yeah. I need you to do that. Let's change that to noise, and then I'm going to take in... How did I do it in the other ones? I was like, image. Oh yeah, I was like, okay. It's like... Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll just go encoded, get pixel of as a tuple. I think you have to have it as a tuple of the location I. We'll say, oh man, what are we doing? It's gonna be in. Wait, stop that. Yeah. Yeah. I think you have to. Sorry, you don't know fully what's happening. I'm using a whole bunch of stuff that probably is peculiar. And then I'm just going to go logging.debug. And I'm just going to say get pixel. So I'm going to say noise is this, and cool. Format the string to have all the crap I want in it. And then I might just, I also usually do this, no. Man, I'll say, and then we'll just chuck it in. Okay, printing out what they are and their type, just so that I know what I'm doing. I'll just go into the oh, actually, you know what I'll do is I just won't save it because I don't want to destroy stuff I don't need to. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Oh man, I'm in a for loop. What am I doing? Should I? Okay. Kill that. Okay. Why did that? It was a bit long of a print statement to do that. Like it should have finished up. I suppose it's a lot of pixels. Let me just change the logging config. That should be there. There it is. And we'll just say it's long. Okay, it's done. Okay. Didn't save out, so I wouldn't be able to see anything anyway. Okay. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll just put an if statement around the around the logging, just so that it just prints for like the first one. If I equals 1, then I want you to do this. Okay. Separate it, give it a bit of space to breathe. Okay. And then that should be fine. Let me clear this for you. I never equaled 1. Okay. Let's just say lock minus 10. Okay, I'm just trying to think of a value that will definitely be in there. Print right at the end. Oh, change the locking level. Okay. Dot. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm tired. I won't ever equal that. If no. If the location vector is equal to the -10, the 10th last location of. I should explain to you what that is. It's the vector of locations of pixels that I'm using to jump through and sequence through so I can add things to them. So I'm saying, just log me this one thing in the terminal on the 10th last one. I just chose 10 arbitrarily. Please do that. And I just had a dodgy if statement. Okay. There we go. What have I said here? Okay, sorry for that. And then I have to distributively encode that. Yeah. Okay. So let me just check the distributive encoding. Distributively encode pixel. Oh, I think it's like up a bit. Cool. It's here, from line 88. So can I do that function on? Hang on, let me just clear this for you. Can I do that function? The ord. What's the ord of like, yeah, 67 is what we had before. Doesn't expect that, right? Okay. Simple if statement. I can fix this with. If type of char equals char. Equals, no, I should say. That's, I'm thinking in C. This is Python. Okay. So does that work? If, so I'm going to just, if the letter C is equal to, the type of C is equal to char, print true. Oh. That'll work. I can exit out of that. And then that's fine. Oh, I should do that there. Okay. And then we just go back to the noise, and now I'm just going to distributively encode that. Just see if it works. Mate, too many keyboard shortcuts. That's not a vector, so I'm thinking MATLAB. It's not a list. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's just say it works. Get a bunch of prints. No errors. Okay. That's good. Let's save it out. Before I do that, let's just grab the files. It was just encoded, then noise. Okay. No. I press escape. Encoded, then noise. Yeah. Cool. So now I can use that name that I had in the main before, which was just looking over the microphone. Yep. Yeah. Cool. And then bang. Yeah, it's all just debug statements, it's fine. This is not the image we want. What we want is... Oh, did I close it? Oh, let's see. Stink. Hey. Oh, you can't see that. Okay, let me just... Okay. So... right. I want to see the difference between... So cool. Okay. Alright. Now what's happened is... Here's the original image. Completely normal doggo. So just a very good boy. And then here, you see that like mild change in brightness? There's the play Othello coded in the first, like what must be 1/8 of the image. And then it's just random noise after that, within the same range of the characters. I was assuming that there was 7 bits. And so in that way, I've added more values to the pixels, which means they're going to be, if you have 000 as your pixel, it's black. If you have 255, 255, 255 for your pixel, it is white. So if you add more value to it, it's going to get brighter, right? So that's what's happened. And then if you just have a look at the difference, so here you could tell something's been done to this image because there's this strip at the top that's going on, the top. But if I just gave you this, it might look a bit grainy, but you would never know there's something hidden in it. Okay, so that's cool. Tomorrow when I'm not as I keep making mistakes, so I think I gotta stop for tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna try and figure out a way that I can encode, like I want to be able to encode into the image the size of the message so that you don't keep decoding it when you've reached the end, right? Because you don't want to decode this noise. This noise that I've put in there is just simply so that the image looks whole, like there's not a part of it that's like there's something there, like there's something there. If you're looking, I want it to now, given the original image. So if you had this original image here, you could put it into the algorithm. It would figure out, okay, the algorithm always chooses with the same image. It would always choose a particular pixel in the noise section to store how long the message is based on the attributes of the image. So using some function of the attributes of the image, I don't know, I'm going to use like border size or like colors, average color or something. You'd store in there. That's where it's going to be. I'd have to use some function of the length of the message as well. Something to think about. But anyway, yeah, it's been pretty cool. I'm going to push those changes and then I'll just do that now while I'm on here. Cool. Exit that. Right, quit that. That's cool. Random Cool. And then some, example stuff. Yep, those. Yeah, I was just looking for the one with that. It was just random shit. But it's the last one, encoded that noise. Git push to GitHub. I don't have SSH on here, so I have to type in every single time. Cool. All right. So if you wanted to check this out at some point, you could give it a star on GitHub, I guess, or something, if you wanted to keep track of what I'm doing on it. It's here. Come on. So, I don't know if you can read that, but it's github.com xandhiller /steg, STEG. And then the file you want is the encodimage.py. Yeah, okay, cool. Till next time.